says there are African spurred tortoises. The African spurred tortoise's scientific name is Geochelone sulcata. African spurred tortoises are the largest species of continental tortoise and the third largest in the world. Sulcata tortoises live over 150 years. The spiny projections on their back legs are called spurs. They aid them in burrowing, and that's how they got their name. They enjoy a high fiber diet, around 2 inches when they hatch. These tortoises can grow to be over 200 pounds. African spurred tortoises live in the continent of Africa.